Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hunar Ke Videos. Today we are discussing about blog monetization treasures. Original value is $197. Hug discount for a limited time. Hurry buy now while supplies last. Are you done wasting your time yet? Instantly skyrocket your online profit by cracking the monetization code. Discover fresh new money making techniques for your website. Dear website owner, it's no secret anyone. People all around the world from England to India are making a living working on their own time from the comfort of their homes using the internet, and some are doing even better. Through their websites, they can not only afford to make a living, they actually live their dreams. Traveling around the world, driving luxury cars, eating in only the best restaurant, whether you are totally new to internet and are still to make your first dollar online, or are already doing well and looking for ways to supplement and increase your current business income, you will benefit greatly by cracking the monetization code. Monetization is the name of the game. The concept of monetization as used by website owners refer to the idea of taking a website or any more advanced internet assets and turn it into a profitable business model that will effortless generate a new stream of income for you. When you are just starting out, it may seem like making a full-time income from the internet is nothing more than pie in the sky, but believe me, a lot of people are doing it, and some are doing pretty well, and some even better than that. What's more, monetization a website is quite easy once you understand the principles behind it, and once you do, the process becomes fully scalable. There is absolutely no limit to the number of websites you can own the profit from. In fact, the major obstacles people come across in trying to make a living from their websites is not the difficult of the process itself, but the information overload caused by the vast number of possibilities with their own pros and cons. When faced with so much information and without a clear plan to follow, most people become confused and give up, thinking that they are not cut out for this kind of life. To win, you must first understand the rules. I have been using all kinds of monetization tactics since I began my journey online and have always been excited at the earning potential that most websites have completely unknown to their owners. I made quite a lot of money during the time only by purchasing blank slates websites and then reselling them for a hug profit after just a few days to release their income potential. And on the way, I discovered how best to use each monetization method for any type of website and development stage. Whether you are building an informational website for your organization, keeping people around the world information about the latest news in your area with an online blog, or playing the virtual real estate magnet and constantly churning out new profit pooling website, knowing the best monetization method that will be fit your website and online business model can drastically increase your profit sometimes by more 300%. What's even better is that most of these methods can be implemented within hours at first and then minutes as you become more used to the processing involved. Just think about it. A few minutes work to turn your website into a personal ATM that will make you money day after the day. Even as you sleep, it does not get any better than this. The link is below in the description, but the learning crew is step. As I first started, I explored the many different monetization venues now available online, I felt completely lost in the sea of opportunity offered to me. I further realized that my investment in this gem packaged guide is fully secured by a 100% money back certification guarantee.